In this video I will show you how to fix your sticky analog stick. First thing you want to do, strip it right down. Right, once you've got your controller in pieces, you want to get some of this, which is just compressed air in a can. Pop these off. Be advisable to disconnect the battery. And then just, most of the time with these it's dirt and dust stuck in them. So if you give them a good old blast, it's a bit cold. Right, once you've done that, you want to get yourself some cockpit shine, which is basically silicone lubricant. Give that a good old squirt in there. Strawberry flavour. Give it a good work. Say, I don't know, 2 minutes just to get that silicone all in them joints. Put the controller back together and you will have a perfectly working analog stick.